Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. And if you clicked on my video, you probably want to see my windshield wiper blades that I bought for my Lincoln Town car. So we'll get into the details about these blades that I bought in just a second. First, we'll look at the old ones, we'll take them off, and then we'll look at them, how good they held up, which brand it was. And we'll go from there. So here's the first thing that I noticed. Normally when you have a car and you want to change the wiper blades, you do this, you lift your wiper arm. See, it comes up. It's like in a nice easy angle to access them. You do that on a Tesla. You have a service mode, a windshield wiper service mode. So the blades move up a little bit, and then you can also fold them out and replace them. The town car, when the engineers designed this, they didn't do that. So if you lift them up here, see, this will hit your hood, and so be careful with that. And it doesn't stay up at all. So when you take them off, don't let this metal here slam on your glass and crack it or something. That is a bad design, but that's just how it is. And I know most of you love the town car, but look, bad design. That's why I need extra hands. So I'm going to take these off, and we'll see what we bought new, and I'll show you how to get the new ones on. So hold on 1 second. And in case someone doesn't know how to take them off, do you see that little edge there in the middle? I can't point, I have two hands here. See this right there in the middle? There, you push that in, and then you slide them back this way, and then they come out. And this is what I mean. Look at this. There's hard metal here. There's a spring in it, so don't let that slam on your glass. Preferably put a rag or something underneath. And also you get dirty fingers, so if you don't like that, don't do it. And if this doesn't work, so do what I did just now. Turn them on a little bit, turn the ignition off, and that one there came off really easy with that clip. This one here, see, it's a different design. You have to push, and then you turn them like this, and you pull down, and it comes out really easy. So, but you need to have more room. That's why the different design would have been good without turning the windshield wipers in your own service mode. Okay, so let's get to the new ones and check what they look like. So let's get to the old windshield wiper blades first. These are very old. I replaced these in 2012, and we have 2026 now. So 2026 now, in 12 I replaced them, so they're really old. See, when you look at the rubber here, it feels pretty smooth. It's starting to wear a little bit, and it's getting a little dry rot, especially here on it. But the metal frame, these are the classic style, you know, the conventional style, the metal frame, like they came on the town car back in the day. You don't see that very often anymore. It's still good. So these are from Bosch. This is the second one. I did a test back then because that's what I like to do. These are from RainX. See, RainX. And that one is very worn. That's not dirt, that is the paint is gone. Paint is gone on it, you see. Paint is gone on both sides, the paint is gone here. And the blades themselves, the important part, that's actually about the same as the other one. So they are, from the rubber is good, I would say, but it feels a little lighter. So it feels a little lighter, looks a little different. See, a little bit different, but the Bosch feels like it's better quality blade. It's also a little wider, see that? And which I think helps to push the blade on your windshield. So why did I not buy the new style, this floppy beam style for the town car? Because it's an old vehicle, and I think the old style of blades fits it better. That's why. So the new ones perform better, though, that's true. So Bosch has different categories, different kinds of wipers. There's the MicroEDGE type, and it's a 22 is the size you need for the town car, and it says it's an all-season performance. So it says in French too and in Spanish. A couple information on here, nothing really interesting. Yeah, they just tell you this natural rubber with hydro defense, liquid graphite, and it's precise. It works precisely, so it's all good. You know, we all know it's just a windshield wiper blade, and they are from Bosch, and they are made in China. Even Bosch is a German brand. So pull it out. See what we have in here. That's the wiper blade. There's a couple instructions. For these you need the J-hook. That's the style for the town car, is the J-hook style. So a lot of, especially American cars, have different styles to put them on, but the town car, you have the J-hook style to put your blades on, and I actually like that's one of my favorite styles of for windshield wiper blades. So you put that out, and then you hook them in the same way we took them out, and I'm going to show you that in just a second. So here's one, and I'll take the other one out. I'll meet you at the car and we'll put them on. So here we go. First you take it in your hand and you put the tap towards you. You see that? I have the camera here on a little tripod, and then you put them in here like this, and let's see if we can see this. Yeah, I think so. Line it up. You can put it up like this. You pull them up all the way up. You hear that click, and there we go. Windshield wiper blade is on. I'll take the other one out of here, and I will put that slowly down on the windshield. See? There we go. The windshield wiper blade is now on. It's really tight too, so that cannot come off. And I'll repeat the same on this side, and I'll be right back with you. And here they are, nice and flat installed. And like I said, you can do this to your own service mode, because then you can pull them up like that. There's your spring, and can let them back down. But see how much pressure is on it? Don't let that ding your glass. That is something to be careful with. Yeah, so let's hop in the car, turn the ignition on, and let the wipers go back down. Of course, you shouldn't do that, run them dry like this. That's not a good idea. But, you know, sometimes you just have to. Turn it on. And there we go. They are back down in the normal position where they rest when they are parked. So they work good. As we could see, they didn't hit anything. They're just fine. So again, I took this style here because I want the classic style that was on the town car. When you put an adapter on for the new ones, there's a big bulky adapter here, and it just doesn't match the vehicle. That's why I went with the conventional style. This is the new style here that we have on the Explorer here. You see they're floppy and wobbly, and they just perform better. You know, we have to say that they perform better, but I do not like them on the town car. Tesla has those new ones too, and what the Tesla does too, see they're hidden underneath here. I like that a lot, and my old Crown Victoria from '92 had the same design. The hood went over the windshield wipers, so when you turn them off, they stayed up here for a moment, and then they went down. And the Tesla does that too, and I really like that. That's a good design there. What's this? A rock chip? No, it's a dead bug. Okay, let's look at the Mustang here. What do we have here? We also have a newer design of wipers. See, also more floppy and more sleek, so I like that one a lot too. And Ford made the same mistake again. Look what happens when I lift them up. Watch. You hit the, that doesn't even lift up really good. Here you hit the hood right there, see that? So you hit it right here and you scratch it. So bad design there also from Ford. I don't know why that keeps happening. If they do that, they need to put a service mode on, or tell people about a service mode or something. I don't know. Maybe I'm just weird. So, and this is the moment now to subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel. And if you want to see more videos about this beautiful town car, or about the Tesla, or my F-150 outside, or this one here, the Shelby GT350. So then subscribe and come back for more videos. It's always worth it. Upcoming will be a road trip with this car here, and we will also do a hypermiling test on it, see how far you can get with an old V8 like this versus a new vehicle. So that's coming up. Tires, I love tires, but they're still good, so we'll keep the Goodyear assurance tires on the town car. Insurance you need too, so very important nowadays to have that. Yeah, the old wiper blades will go in the trash, and it's really hot here, so I better be done for today, and I'll see you next time on this channel. I wish you a wonderful Sunday and a happy week next week. So, and I think it's Father's Day. Yes, it is Father's Day. So happy Father's Day to all the fathers out there. All right, see you soon.